Today we're going to be teaching you how to put together a yarn and knitting needles costume for Halloween. So we're going to start with a few dowels, and you're going to need dowel caps that match the size of the dowels that you got. You'll need a hot glue gun, some sandpaper, and then a bunch of yarn and some bobby pins. So to put together your knitting needles, you're going to take your dowel and your dowel cap, and you're going to put a little bit of hot glue into the dowel cap and then slide it on top of the ends of the dowel. Once the glue has dried, you can use sandpaper to kind of file down the opposite end of the dowel so that it looks a little bit more like a knitting needle. Once your needles are done, you can take a few small balls of yarn and bobby pin them to your head. I put the rest of my hair in a tight top knot, and then I was just going to pin a few of these smaller balls of yarn in place. Once those are secure, you can finish off your costume by draping some thick yarn around your neck. And you can continue to do this until you have a really thick pile covering the front of your body.